Today, we review the best 5 smoked salmon that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list. Salmon and want to go for multiple flavors at once, the Seabear Smoked Salmon Trio may be of interest. This box comes with 3 individually boxed portions that each contain 16 ounces of smoked salmon.
Number 5.
Fairhaven Bay Seafood Smoked Salmon Trio. This smoked salmon, like the one mentioned previously, comes in a package of 3 that can make for a fantastic gift to those with a refined taste for fish. With no more than 130 calories per serving, this smoked salmon trio makes for a guilt-free and healthy meal.